What's going on, guys? And welcome back to the channel. What's going on, guys? And welcome back to the channel here on another glorious day in the stock market. We're ready to roll, baby. Looks like it's gonna be another dump day. It's not really moving. Anything's not really moving again, of course. Not surprised. Not surprised. It's just been really slow. It's just part of the game. It's part of the game. Can't get upset. Can't be always on fire. The market can't be always on fire. I mean, it would be nice, right? If every day I come in, I can make thousands of dollars. Wouldn't that be great? But so for right now, we're looking at a few stocks. Let's see. At OAS, KOTK. Now this one's scary, man. I mean, see what happens. See what happens. Let's see what we got here. I'm open. Let's get this ball rolling. Let's take a look here. See, the whole market is just dumping. Yeah, that's the first initial wave that we get. That's the first initial wave. Oh Lord, look at Apple. Holy moly. We got a mover. We have a mover. Imagine that, Apple, right? Okay, let's not go so aggressive right here. 2 million. 40 seconds. It's looking really good. Let's take a look. See Tesla. Tesla's dumping. Not shocked to see that. Okay, now it's recovering everything. Alright, let's see. Alright, so missed Apple. Darn it. Oh Lord, I'm FOMOing right now. That should have been me. Should have been me. Look at that. Nice little candle. Nice green candle to the bull side. And it's overbought. But that doesn't mean it can't keep getting overbought. We're not gonna rush it. We're gonna stay solid. We're gonna do what we always do. Make sure we don't go too crazy now, right? We don't go too crazy. So as of right now, it's breaking the VWAP, so I'm looking for a potential entry to the long side. Looking at Tesla. Tesla's broke the VWAP as well. Yeah, yes. Got everything in. Oh, here we go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Move up. I need some follow through. It's just not following through, so I'm out. Just don't like when usually whenever stocks like this, it needs to go fast. For me, I'm expecting a big pop. And there it is, but it's just lagging. All this volume, it has to be moving for me in order to take. See, now it's going, looks like there's some short. Well, let's go short now. Let's see, maybe I'm gonna regret it. And it's breaking down. Broke the VWAP. Okay, so that's $100 right there. It's $100 right there. So no, I'm not shorting because still too early, too early for this. So right now, got that going on right there. We got that going on right there, and not trying to get squeezed out here. So trying to look at all these other stocks. Everything else is dumping, which is not. I'm not shocked. I'm not shocked to see that. Ooh. Well, halted, baby. Wow. Look at KODK getting halted once again. Man, is it gonna go up to 60 bucks? Is it gonna go to the moon? Is it gonna go back to that high? Oh my god, now. Ah man. That one's KO. I mean, I'm gonna keep an eye on it, but KODK moves way too volatile for me. I mean, I'm not ready for that type of I mean, I guess I could trade with like a small share size. I mean, but as far as like trading it, I don't know, man. I don't know. That KODK is out this world, boy. Tell you what, it's out this world. See right now. Man, I missed that entry again too. There you go. I missed that one. I just been missing everything. Look at that. Beautiful dump. Oh, it would have been crazy. Just the Momo. The FOMO is real. Even though anything else is kind of just... Everything else has just kind of been whack, man. Everything else has just been super whack. Trying to look for an entry on the short side. See how it does. And I'm probably gonna miss it. Depends on this candle, what it closes at. Depends on the size of this candle. See? Oof. Nice rejection. I mean, nice breakthrough right there. But we're not out the woods yet. We're not out the woods yet, so let's see what these boys, these shorts, trying to do to Apple. I'm not trying to get too into the short side here, because this is the bottom. It looks like it's been the bottom for a few times here, 3 or 4 times. So I'm not trying to, you know, not gonna go against the Momo. Not gonna go against the Momo here. We're gonna Joe long, baby, long. Heck yeah, ride that, squeeze through that. Let's see. Squeeze through there. Squeeze through that top. Yeah, yep. Just gonna. There we go. Squeeze, baby. Squeeze. Squeeze. Okay. So that's gonna put us right there at half our goal for the day. And you know, the reason I got out is because there seemed to be some hesitation there. So I'm waiting for the next pullback. If it holds this candle and it gives me a little lower, I'll jump in again. See, but it's at this point it's still making these types. See what I tell you. Nope, no, sir. I'm not getting caught up in that crap. Not gonna get caught up in that. Been caught up so many times. Now this has to be, it had to break, because I know then bears will feel so strongly about it and they're gonna short it. And sure enough they did. But we're in a very tight range right now, which is like right here. And I don't like tight ranges like that. It's just so hard to make money because it could be extremely volatile for either side, short or bear. I need to be more like this, up initial and then come down. I need to make moves. I need to make, see right now I made a lower low and then it made a lower higher high and then it made a lower low and now it's making a, I mean, on every candle. I mean, I'm not, it's the minute chart, so I mean anything can happen, but the 5 minutes, it looks like a big red hammer. So what does that mean? Well, it always means it's usually going to get rejected. It means bears are going to use that. Psychologically, that automatically means they feel more strongly about shorting. But I see that could also be a trap, because here lately it's been a trap like that. I don't know. See, now this time it might break because of the whole, it attempted it once, twice, 3 times. So now I feel actually trying to go in the long side here again. The third time's I like the third time. I like the third attempt. I really do. A third attempt to breaking anything is. You ever heard the third time? Third time's the charm. Well, it's like that in the stock market. It really is. See, there we go. We squeeze, and we're at our perfect goal today. Oh Lord, we met our goal today. We met our goal in just 9 minutes of the market. I mean, this is incredible. $500, perfect, even in a matter of 9 minutes. But hey, I'm gonna give it a little bit more time. I'm gonna take my time here. I'm actually just gonna be patient. Not gonna get FOMO. Even though this is a good time to go back in. I got 20 seconds on the clock. Gonna go jump right back in. Let's see what happens. If it gets rejected. Let's take a look. Ooh, no, we're out. We're out because of that whole rejection. I really thought it was gonna climb up. I mean, I'm up $5. I mean, I made $5 in that trade, so it's not entirely bad. But either way, I mean, we're up at our daily goal, and I don't want to give it back because I can always do that. You can bet on that. So as right now, calm down. The best thing to do at this point is just kind of look at what's going on, and don't get too, don't rush into a trade. I mean, see, right now that's BS. Come on, now look at that, a hammer on a green hammer. I mean, so you got to be careful with those things. You got to be real careful because they can really hurt your account, especially if you're day trading. See, that's crazy, man. That's crazy rejection right there. But that's too much, too volatile in my opinion. So now there's a double hammer basically, but it still didn't manage to. Well, now it did. But hey, I was gonna short it, but I just want to feel really good about what I'm gonna do. So right now, no, I missed that one. I want to feel really good about what I'm gonna do. So right now, I'm looking more to the to the short side. I mean, I really am. It's just dumping. So it's bouncing. Whew, that's a nice bounce too. Right at 15, went straight up. I mean, it was like 14.90. Yeah. Yep. That's going up. No. Well, I thought it did. That was a pretty strong. It picked it up really easy. I mean, I could be wrong, and I'm not. I am not trying to time it. I'm at my goal already. All I have to do at this point, guys, is just. I could stop right now if I wanted to. But, it's early. I'm greedy. And, I want a little bit more. I mean, but I'm not. But I also know that I have to be patient. I want to make money. If I don't want to make money. So all I have to do right now is see if this candle holds. I'm going long. I really am. So I just need it to hold the candle. So that way I can know, oh, yep, we're changing trend. Let's climb, baby. And we're going to go up to the north, right? So, shoot, I almost bought in there. Okay, let's go right now. Let's go. Feel like it's a dip for a nice climb up to the top, baby. It's getting rejected, so we're probably gonna get out. It's not picking it up how I wanted to pick it up. It's definitely not picking it up how I wanted to pick it up. It's getting too much rejection at 15. Okay, now. Alright, I'm out. It didn't pick it up how I wanted to pick it up. Picked it up. It's getting rejected at 15. I kept giving it a little bit of try, but I kept giving it some time, but it's only like 15 seconds, so once bears see that, they're gonna drop it, so. Boy. This is why you gotta be careful. You gotta be really careful to give your profits back. Can't do that. Cannot let them take my money. So I'm not gonna hesitate here. We're gonna draw some lines. See what's really going on. Let's see. So right now, it's dumping. Dumping, so there's going to be a lot of bears. I mean, there's a lot of bears right now. KODK is open, gapped up, whew, to 1150, and now it's breaking the VWAP. Wow, ain't that something? I mean, I do want to trade that one, but I'm a little scared because it just moves so violently, man. It's just so freaking violently. Maybe I shouldn't have shorted it, but let's see. Let's see, the price action is still super bearish. But it's bouncing right there. It's breaking nicely. Oh, yes. It feels real good whenever the direction's in your favor, doesn't it? At least it looks like it's in my favor. It could always flip on me right now, but see, now I'm down 28. But I made a new low. Got 20 seconds on the clock. Let's see. 10 seconds. Still not enough to reject it. Break it down, baby. Break it down. So right now, break. Come on. Just not breaking down. Some support there. Oh, yep, here it comes. It's gonna break the 50. Oh, there it is. Broke the 50. Okay, so we're up. That puts us at a goal, or above our goal. Still above our goal. And I'm quite happy. Why did I take, a 2-minute trade there? Another reason, because I knew it was going to be a fast trade. Looked like a 3-bar play, and it sure was. And that 3-bar play, and there was a lot of people, there's a lot of people buying this. I mean, I see the level 2, and it keeps getting green, green, green. And it's just hard, having a hard time to break anything. I was actually going to put bail out there as well, but I waited a little bit. Under these very, very volatile times, yeah, could be it can be a little tough to just stay in something and stay in something and constantly just if you met your goal, your daily goal, I mean, why overreach? So I mean, I have my goal met. I'm already there. But as far as I have no desire in trying to rush through anything right now. I made my goal. So hey, victory dance, right? So as of right now, just keeping it real. Just keeping it real here. Just gotta be patient. I'm not in no rush. No rush. Have no rush, boys. No rush. Met the goal. That's what I'm talking about. Just on Apple once again. But, we can't stop there. Gotta keep looking, boys and gals. Yeah. So now we're looking at NIO, Tesla. Looking at Tesla. Tesla once again. It's looked like it's trying to break the B-WAP. Purple B-WAP. And looks Tesla is looking good. It's looking good. Oh boy, look at that. OAS. Yeah, let's take a trade right there. I like trading these. I mean, I don't, I do, but I mean, because with these, I take a fast trade. I never stay in too long because I know how they are. They're very, very, very. They're easily manipulated by other people. I mean, it just needs a very strong seller or strong, you know, and they make it up like this. OAS broke above the moving average. Broke the VWAP. Okay, broke the VWAP. That's what we're gonna say. I'm looking at OAS. Just trying to, you know, trying to see what I could do here. Trying to see what I could do. Nikola. Let's see, Nikola's got some. Yep, it's got some move up. Yep, this is a. I've been hearing a lot of bad news about this. Just a lot of bad news about Nikola. See, Apple's doing this little wedge here, and that's actually a good thing because now I know where is it going. It's doing a little wedge, and now we are gonna probably. It's doing this wedge type of deal, right? So I think if it gets down to 30, 20 right there, we can see some probably buyers right there. Yep, I see some green. Come on, pick it up. Yep, come on. Maybe I jumped too in too early, and no. So that's didn't go as expected, boys. Really thought that would have been. Oh, my line's a little messed up here. Oh, my line was a little messed up. See it. It was right there. That's BS. See how it was. Oh, that was right there. If I would have jumped in right there like I had drew the line a little bit off. That sometimes happens to me. It's not very pleasant. See what I tell you? I know how to trade these right here, man. That was a mistake. But it's okay. I mean, I'm not gonna let it affect me. I'm not gonna let it emotionally distract me. It is what it is, right? Right now, we're waiting for the break of the wedge. What is this gonna do? Probably it's probably gonna go green and bam! I've seen this pattern. But it's just hard to predict when. I mean, you could keep on grinding all the way to the bottom. I mean, they could just keep doing. Now, if this wedge breaks to the downside, holy cow, bro! Tell you right now, if this crap breaks to the bottom, tell you what, man. You think you've seen bottom? This could be a nasty drop, but that's usually more on fundamentals. I think. I really think so. I mean, anytime I see a wedge break to the downside. You know, that means it's extremely bearish. I mean, that to me just looks like they're just giving it away at that point. So right now, I'm trying to be, you know, trying to get in, but see if we're gonna get the dip here. We're gonna get the dip. We are gonna get the dip. What? Oh, man, I gotta get in and out of these real quick. Gotta recover what I lost. Just a few trades. Alright. See, we're back in business. We're back in business. I should have stayed in there, but it's okay. Win's a win. Don't matter. Buy me a little dip. Buy a little dip. Here lately, I just haven't been really holding. I mean, I try to hold 1 or 2, 3 candles. Depends on the momentum. It depends if it's look. Like I said, in order for me to go through a home run, it's got to do a lot for me. I mean, it just has to do a lot. I know I'm asking for the perfect setup, but that's just the way I trade. I mean, it's working. It's been working for me. And then again, you know, the momentum here this month has been terrible. Now, if it would have been like momentum, like back in July, man, I hold the whole thing. I mean, I'll be holding from here. It's just I know what to do. I mean, they were just like straight up. Anybody could have made money. Even I could have made money with my emotions. I mean, everybody in every freaking dip. And right now, it's not. I don't see the follow through on buying the dip as much. Like, there's a lot of hesitation, and there's a lot of choppiness in the market. There's a lot of things. There's a lot of things that are not happening how they're supposed to be happening, like they were happening. But not gonna let that disappoint us. We're still steady grinding here. We're waiting for the right moment, just waiting patiently. It could bounce out of there, 1450. Could bounce out of there. See? They try to trick people, bulls, thinking that that's gonna break down, but usually it's a head and shoulders pattern. So upside down, right here, shoulder, head, shoulder, right shoulder. So it could keep on climbing it, but if it breaks the neckline right there, then we can see some move up. So right now we are not seeing that. I'm possibly looking at getting in here long. Breaking the neck? Nope. Just depends on what side it's going to break it. See what side is going to break it. What side is it going to? To the north? South? Let's see. See what we are going to do here. Broke the wedge. Finally broke the wedge. Oh, yep. Cracking through the neckline. 10 seconds on the clock. 10 seconds. 10 seconds, baby. Yep. See what it does. Ooh, nasty rejection. But it's going to go. It's going to break. Yep, it's going to break. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Break that one. Oh. Just like we thought it was. Just like we thought it was. Broke that right there. Broke the neckline. Waiting for my next dip, for my next entry. Waiting for my next entry. 30 seconds on the clock. Getting nasty rejection. We're going to go back and see what happens. If the bulls buy it. Let's see if the bulls are buying it. And nope, they're not buying it. They're not buying it. And I lost on that one. And see, that's what I'm saying. They don't buy the bull. The bulls aren't buying the dips. They're not buying the dips. It's just been. Now they're gonna buy it. Now they're gonna buy the dips. They're waiting for the EMA. Come on, break through the neckline again. Oh Lordy, come on. Break through that. No, that ain't working. So then we're gonna be out. Out. Yeah, I'm out. Taking a little small loss, but it's okay. It don't even faze me anymore. I'm still green. See, the key is to, if you're gonna take losses, at least take small losses. I mean, take the small losses over the big losses. KODK trying to break the average moving price right now. We're at million. Spread is not that wide. Okay, let me take a little stab at KODK. We're gonna go light on the shares. I mean, it's moving very aggressively. I mean, 10-20 cents. So we're gonna go probably. Let's just start with about 200 shares for now. Gonna start with 200 shares because I am scared. I am scared. So we're gonna go with 200 shares right now. Looking for an entry. The spread is about 3 cents a piece, and we're looking to go long, baby. Need to get me a pullback. I like this. I'm liking the setup. The setup's good. Let's see what happens. I know millions of people are watching this. Everybody and their mama is waiting for KODK to go back and test the highs. I'm telling you right now, if he goes back and tests the high, holy moly, we could see some real move up. See if bears, I mean if the bulls are buying the, see, come on. You see some, okay, now we're seeing climbing, let's go, break the top, 85, 985, I see 10 there, let's go, 986, come on, it's just not moving that aggressively right now, but I mean that's a good thing, you know, it's not going against me either, so I'm up $10, $12, I mean we're 98, 990, we're up, see, 990 if it breaks 990, let's see, 97, I see 990, come on, break through that high so you can, it's just not, broke through, yep, it's gonna, he's getting rejected at that level, but it's okay, we're not nervous, we're just, yep, it's dumping. Of course it's dumping. Of course it's dumping. I knew it. We're not gonna get all panicked here. Still let it ride here. Well, I might panic now. Level 2 still looking like bills are buying the dip as of now, and it's not broken that EMA right there. Still bulls. I'm looking at the level 2. Why? I'm looking at the level 2 like a magnifying glass right now. Because if I see a big seller, I'm coming out. So right now, it looks like they're just buying the dip. Got 2 seconds, kind of the close. Now we should be trying to test the. Oh no. No. Oh yeah, I'm probably gonna get out. It's not going in my favor. It's getting rejected again. I'm out. Darn it. Fake me out. I mean, it bull trapped me right here. God almighty. Of course it did. So that always happens. Back in Apple here, trying to get back that money we gave to KODK. I mean, yeah. Looking at it, I mean, it's looking good. If it had broken that next high, it would have been a good trade, but oh man, it just has not been, the fall through has been horrible, but it looks like it's starting to curl back up, and imagine that, as soon as I get out, it's stomped out. I'll keep an eye over here on this other screen, on KODK, potential move back up to the north, and let's see, yep. It could be another bull trap, so I don't know. I needed to hold that candle. Wow, look at that. Ripping again. It's just ripping. Faked me out on that 1 minute chart. I mean, I think it would have faked out a lot of people, not just me. Probably like people like me that are so, you know, they're just scared. They're like, oh no, I don't want to give all my money back. Now we're trying to get our goal. We're trying to get our, you know, trying to move the bar up. Trying to get up to like $600-700. We ain't ever gonna be able to do it if we're not grinding, right? We need to be able to grind a little bit. So right now, looking at Apple, KODK is, oh look, KODK made, but I mean it's already at the top of that top. Now if it breaks 990. Oh, here it comes. Jeez. Yep, made a new high. But that doesn't mean I'm going to go in it. blindly. No, sir. Apple's dumping. There, maybe a resistance right there, support. Yep. So sure enough, I needed to hold that candle. I needed to hold the candle. Ah, Lord. Going up, but let's see what happens right there. Oh, might have missed it out. Probably missed out there. Yeah, probably missed out on that one. 30 seconds on the clock. KODK. Gonna KODK. It's trying to break above that resistance line. I really think it might break it now. Made a new high. Yep. Five seconds on the clock. Still doesn't close above it. Has not been able to close above it. So it's not that strong. Apple's dumping. I'm gonna short right there. I'm gonna short, maybe. See what happens. Probably gonna get squeezed out from the looks of it. Thought it was gonna be a fall through fast, but still early. Oh, sellers coming in. Some sellers coming in. There we go. Sellers, baby, sellers. See. Yep. There's a lot of bouncing here. I just need to know what kind of candle that closes in. You see the type of candle it closes. Oh! Ooh. Ooh. Wow. Oh! See, that's just choppy, man. That's crazy. For either side. You gotta be real careful. You gotta be real careful with these. If it breaks that low right there, it's gonna go really low. See, that's, what the hell, man? Usually that's a break. It's super choppy, man. It's just stocks like Apple. There's a lot of wicks here, so I'm probably gonna get out. Should have got out earlier. It was down here. I really thought it was gonna come down more, but no. Nope. If you pay attention to the wicks of the candles, I mean, it's just extremely volatile, man. I don't know, I don't like it. Extremely volatile. Oh, there we go. See, that's what the hell, man. Look at that BS right there. It's gonna probably go up, yep. Yep, it's probably gonna go up. But see, that's just the way it moves. It just would have been a perfect trade there. Talk about perfect, right? Could have been better, in my opinion. Gonna short sell right there again. Gave me an entry again. Gave me a nice little entry. If it comes down or I get squeezed out, I'm in a good spot, I think. A good spot. I see some buyers. I see a lot of buyers. Rejection. Let me see. Oh. Wow. Look at the range, man. The range is crazy. At this point, it could go anywhere it wants to. I mean, look at the madness, man. Just wow, absolutely. I'm squeezing out. I'm getting squeezed out there. So, I mean, I gave it all back basically. Just not what I'm thinking. Well, it looks like it's a nice little bounce up, man. So. Just so crazy how it moves. Ooh, like a freaking penny stock. Oh, look at KODK just breaking out. Just breaking out. Going back to test that 11. going back to test the 11. Just looking at Apple here. Just looking at Apple. See what it does here. See what the close looks like. 73 close. Okay, we're moving up then. We're moving up. Yep. Yep. Moving up. Squeeze coming in. See, that's what I'm saying. Like, just the way it moves so violently. I mean, right there, like, look, there's a lot of bears trap, so it's probably gonna squeeze right through that too. And a good entry. I feel like I'm pretty good entry. Sort of, I can just tell the difference in the market. It's like after 10 o'clock. It's just, see, it's just so super choppy. And usually, like the first 30 minutes, there's a lot of people either holding it to one side or to the, depends on the side they're aiming for. So as of right now, I mean, I'm still long. Maybe I shouldn't. Maybe I should just get out because of the way it's moving. See, it just moves so violently to either side, and I could just take that $20 and run. But as of right now, it looks like it's on my side for right now. But it's still getting rejected by that line right there. So. Squeeze coming in, squeeze coming in, squeeze coming in. Oh, didn't squeeze. Just come on. Violent. See, that's just, stocks move very different, like after a certain amount of time. Still looking here. Broke 90. Okay, we're gonna get out right there. So that's a nice little trade again right there. Put me closer to, another new goal. I'm really close to wrapping it up. Why am I really close to wrapping it up? Well, it's just the market's starting to move very, 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 very violently. I mean, not violently, but, I just don't like how they move from one extreme to another. Changes my perspective on basically. Okay, let's go in there. Maybe I'll regret it, but waiting for those sling effects back up to the. Okay, so we're gonna take another little pop there. Took another, puts me almost $800. I lost $40 on that one, so I'm still like at $750. So at this point, I'm getting close to 1,000. I mean, it's not like I've never done that before, but never done that recording. I've made $1,000, but as of right now, not recorded. I mean, because it just takes longer sometimes to, a longer video takes a little longer to make $1,000. I mean, it's like, but the thing is, the more I'm trading, it's like the more aggressive I'm getting at trading because I'm able to buy more shares. And I think that's what's made my gains faster. That, I'm being more confident. I feel more confident about what I'm doing. I feel like, my strategy's working pretty good. So I add some more. I add more, and I mean, I know there's going to be a limit to this type of strategy that I do because I buy in a little bit and then I sell real fast. But there's going to be a point where I can't, buy a whole lot, and then expect to, my daughter distracted me. I can't expect to just, okay, you can't just buy $500,000 of everything and expect to be able to, in and out fast. No, that's just not gonna work. Not with the market. So right now, I'm still looking at it. The volume is still looking, it's slowing down. So I'm probably gonna go down a little bit on the size. Going down on the size of my shares. Looking at other looking at other stocks here. OAS. Let's see. Oh, wait a minute. Wait, we got MRNN. Slow volume, so no. Nope. Yep. AOS. So, just nothing. Just nothing. Just nothing. What do we got right here, boys and gals? What do we have here? What do we have here? Hang on. Hey, can y'all be quiet? I'm trying to record. Gino! Can you guys bring it down? I'm working here. Thank you.
Sorry.
So, back in business. We're back in business. Waiting. Just waiting for this nice little break here. But it looks like if it doesn't break, yeah, it's not gonna break. 114.50. See that pop? That $50 mark. Okay, let's go on the pop, to the rise. Okay, we're out again for another little $40. Look, man, I'm so close to my new goal that all I gotta do is just kind of ride this wave and just keep on riding it slowly. When I see the chance, I'll pop the pop, I'll jump in, get out real fast. Because I know what's people's behind the mindset, you know. As soon as they can take a trade there, and see right now, it broke. And I could have been on that one. But I'm not. See, it still didn't. It broke 50 cents. But still, we're going to short it now. We're going to short it because it's still a red candle. Nice red one. But see if it's bouncing off. It's bouncing off the freaking $half. Yeah, it did bounce a little bit. Let's see if it holds it. Look like it's not going to hold it. Maybe not. Breaking. Heck yeah. Come on. Holding it again. Let's see. Let's see. Come on, it's not breaking the dollar. It's not breaking this dollar. I need it to break the $half. Come on, break the $half. There we go. Break, fall through. Just dump it. Come on, boys. There's a lot of freaking support there. But I needed to break that 40 mark. There we go. Break the 40 mark. It's coming down. No. Jesus. Stressing me out right now. See? Good God. $114.40.
Hey.
So ports holding 5 seconds on the clock. Holding. Break down, baby. Break down. There we go. See, I see you cracking. I see that cracking. Oh yes. Let's go. We are out with some nice. We're $57 away from 1,000. We're getting real close to the goal. Guys. Real close to this goal. And now we just need some more follow through. Give me 1 second. Yep, and we got little Munchkin there. Just running around like, you know, she cray. She don't know. She don't know. She don't know how to stop. She don't know. All she knows is run. Run. Yep, that's all she knows how to do. So it's right now looking at probably this short. But gotta see what to do here. Oh, let's go. Short side. See if the Bears are gonna short it right there. Like it. Oof, not like it no more. I like it. It's coming down. I don't feel really good about this trade. I really don't. I don't feel good about it, but I'm so close to making a new goal. That, I mean, I just don't like the whole candle where it's like, good God. Okay, we're gonna get out. I don't like it, man. I really don't. I really don't like that trade. I don't even know why I took that trade. It's just, I'm so close to my goal. Oh. To my new goal. I mean, I lost 40 bucks on this other one, right? Lost what? 40 bucks on what is it? KODK? Yeah. Lost 40 bucks on KODK. 47. So if I lost 47 there, that puts me at, I need $60 more, right? $60. $60 more, and we're gonna call it a day. And I got 10 minutes on the clock. 10 minutes on the clock. Is he gonna make $10? 60 bucks. Is he going to do it? That's the key. Am I going to be able to make $1,000? Looks like I'm probably not. I'm gonna short it right there. Probably not. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. But I mean, the reason I'm shorting is because I've seen this so many times. This is the first pullback. I would consider the first pullback. Yeah. And it's just very unlikely for. I don't see it. Well, let's see. Puts not buying. The Bulls are not buying. The Bears are just swamping this. Swamping. Bears are. I've just seen this so many times, man. So many times, boys. So many times. We met our daily goal. Our new goal. Well, you know, we doubled our daily goal today. You know, our daily goal was, what was it? 500. But now it's $1,000. We're up to 1,082, which is great. You know, it's really, really good. So right now, I'm gonna call it a day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, leave something for me to know. Ask me whatever you guys, you know, interact. And I'll see you guys here tomorrow for another $1,000 video. All right, I'll see you guys. See you guys.